Yeah, there's a lot of pride these guys take when they go away. I mean, they're leaving their families, and the families understand that. It's very different than the military, because the military is a much longer deployment. Well, it's never been done before. To send crews to Puerto Rico, where you actually have to put trucks on a barge, you have to fly crews to an island. We're used to going to Texas, Louisiana, helping each other out in our own states, Florida. Puerto Rico is going to be a whole new adventure. It's going to be eye-opening.
Down here, it's something we've never seen before. It's been hit by a hurricane, and the devastation is twice as bad as stuff we've seen. There's mountains, cliffs. You're going from one side to another.
Me and my lineman here had to climb down this 100-foot embankment over here just to get this secondary triplex back off the ground that was down due to the trees. Very, very tough terrain, climbing down the hill, rocky, hilly, vegetation, slippery, slid down the hill. It's just hard enough to get back up the hill, let alone get down there and fix something.
The other day we got 60-some customers on, and even 60-some customers, you could work all day at it because the lines with the terrain is so rough, with so many broken poles and power lines and communication lines down just to get the service to the houses. And customer came out, and we're out there looking for the wire. We didn't have any wire on location. There was just a big coil of it laying on next to one of the poles. It was nowhere near enough, because some of these spans are very far apart. He went and he says, I got wire, and he comes out of the weeds there and he pulls out this big, huge coil wire. He was dragging wire from out of the woods, just finding it everywhere and bringing it to us. And we were able to put it back up, and once we did, his grandfather come out and wanted to give me this huge hug. He was so happy. I got a big hug from him. That made my day. There was a nursing home that it was awesome. They come out, and there's like 16 or 20 children out front hollering, thank you. They're just very proud to be here. I think it's wonderful that we were able to come down here and help Puerto Rico, coming away from our homeland. For Exelon to want to do something like this, I think it's the way of the future, of bringing all these utilities together where you could get a lot done and show everybody that you could all work together and be one big team and conquer everything. It don't matter where you're from or who you are. We're all the same company. We're all the same. We're all brothers and sisters as a family. This is a first experience for everybody. I feel great about it. I'm very proud to be here just to support Exelon.